Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to enter and manage Ultimate Team. In the beginning, from main page of the game, let's go to Ultimate Team. Update squads. And firstly, choose your league. As you can read, your Ultimate Team is made up of players. Spend some time to getting know what makes each player unique. This is our first squad. We can switch the positions and check chemistry of the squad on the left side. Now let's advance. Let's start play match. We have to finish this in order to access full settings of Ultimate Team. As you can see on the top right corner, we've got challenges. We have to complete them to advance. Now we are getting the first reward. We can keep now items. Right here we've got titles, kits and badges. And here we've got the Ultimate Team main menu. Right here we've got the foundations. In foundations we can find new beginnings, club maintenance, market mastery, FC competitor, path to pro, on your way, diving in and venturing out challenges. Next we can find seasonal objectives, live events, campaign, milestones and FC Pro. Let's go back. And here we can play with AI, with friends. We can check live events, competitive events, and For You page. Press L2 to go to Club. In Club you can manage your squad, evolutions, stadium, player stats, leaderboards. Next you can find your moments. In the end, you can find transfer market, manage your live objectives, player objectives and club objectives. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.